Hey guys, welcome back. So I know this is a really long time since I make any video, and I know I have been talking a lot that I will be making videos, but here it is finally. It's the iPad 2018 unboxing. So as you can tell, it's the gold one, golden Apple logo, iPad, Apple logo, again iPad. On the back there is the serial number and what's in the package actually, but we will not be waiting for very long and open this box up. So here, open it up just like that, and that's so satisfying. So actually this iPad is not for me, it's my mom's iPad. I don't need a really new iPad. I have still my iPad Air running iOS 10 and it runs it pretty well. It's not jailbroken anymore though. And yeah. Oh man, that's so satisfying. So here it is. So if you want to see last year's 2017 iPad unboxing, I have that on my channel. I will link it on top right hand corner right now. So now the moment of truth where we lift the box up. And here it is. So actually it's the same gold than on the iPhone 8. So what I really like. So there's the kind of pull tab. So we'll put it first aside, then check what else is in the box. Oh, that's new with that pull tab there. So it's paper marks and so on. Oh, what's back there? There's something new, as you can tell here. It's like two compartments. Or is it just... oh, it's just to fill out Apple stickers and stuff. And... sorry guys. Okay. That's kind of new strategy. I don't know. So a European wall brick, it's a 10 watt actually, and a lightning to USB, regular one. So with this you can also fast charge your iPhone. So now check this iPad. Wow, this is really rose gold. If you would see this in person, really awesome. So I have a case for it, for my mom. So it's actually the case I used on my iPad Air before. It's that white case, so nothing special. But we'll open this up right now. So, like this. Oh, so satisfying. Wow, this looks awesome on an iPad, to be honest. Did not expect that. So I'll put it inside the case directly so it will not be scratched or anything. Does it fit in there? Yeah. So close it up. My mom did say I should not set it up or so. But yeah, so I will keep it in here. And yeah. So guys, I hope I can make more videos and I will do channel updates soon, so stay tuned for more videos. Please, before I forgot, thanks for awesome 200 subscribers on YouTube. So guys, stay tuned and peace out.